All right, Dwane Cates, criminal defense attorney, joining us from outside the courthouse. Dwane, you wear glasses and you look fine. What do you think is happening here with Jodi Arias and the glasses? Because, yes, she's got to put them down to read something in front of her. Do you think legitimately she can't see what's happening in the courtroom and she needed the glasses?
You know, I don't know if she does or she doesn't, but, you know, I wear glasses to make me look smarter when I'm on TV. So, she may be wearing glasses for effect. You know, you don't know. But you know what? Trials are theater. And when I do trials, I try to control every aspect of what goes on in that courtroom that I can have control of. And one thing you can have control of is how your client looks. Now, whether she has fake glasses or real glasses or needs them or they're reading glasses, the jury's never going to know the answer to that question. All they're going to know is that she's wearing glasses, and we have to assume that it's being done for effect.
Mike Brooks, you mentioned this. Let's show it to the folks. I got a lot of people hit me up on my Twitter account and on Facebook talking about how Jodi Arias now seemingly appearing more like Casey Anthony inside the courtroom, especially with the wardrobe choice. It worked for Casey Anthony. And we can see some of the similarities here. Mike, what do you think's going on here?
I don't know. You know, we see her the last week with her hair down, no glasses, you know,
no collared shirt.
Yeah. So, you know, now
she does look meeker. And you know, if the defense is looking for that, I really believe that she is looking a lot more, dare I say the word, innocent? Innocent? All right.
I don't know.
We got a lot more to talk about, folks. I want to take a look inside the courtroom. What is happening right now? There it is. We're waiting for the judge to take the bench, the lawyers to take their place, Jodi Arias to be brought in, and testimony to resume inside the Maricopa County Courthouse in Phoenix. The camera. Let me bring back in my guests I got with me. Who we have? There we go. I've got Dwane Cates, criminal defense attorney in Arizona. Next to him is Meg Strickler, great criminal defense attorney joining us here in Atlanta. Mike Brooks in studio with me. All right, folks, we've seen all this testimony and evidence, the pictures, the medical examiner. We've seen the cross-examination. In your perspective, I want you to reveal right here, right now, who had a better day yesterday, prosecution or the defense? All right, we've got one outlier. We've got Dwane Cates, who says the defense. Dwane, I will begin with you. Why do you say the defense had a better day yesterday?
Well, because I always say the defense had a good day. But they actually did yesterday. What they did was they took first-degree murder off the table. Now, their claim is that Jodi Arias stole a gun, went there to kill Travis Alexander. Now, Travis Alexander's bigger than she is. She's stronger than she is. If she went there to kill him, why would she stab him? She's got a gun. You know, why would she put it so that there's some risk that she would get killed or that there would be a struggle? Why didn't she just shoot him in the head when he was in the shower? So I believe they just took first-degree murder off the table.
All right, Meg, you said the prosecution had a better day. What's your basis?
My basis is that they did an excellent job laying out the scene. And understand this is the prosecution's burden at this point. This is their direct examination of everything. I thought they did an excellent job laying out the scene, laying out the house. The jury was able to understand exactly what this house looked like, exactly what transpired. The witnesses were very, very good, and they humanized the entire scene so the jury really understood, okay, this is what went on. So understand, when the defense comes out, there's a lot of different cross-examination things they're going to do, but I don't think they got all the points they needed to. An expert witness on their end will be able to do that in later days.
Mike Brooks, you were blue for the prosecution. Why?
I think that the medical examiner was very powerful describing the wound, especially that slash wound where she cut through his windpipe, his carotid artery, his jugular vein, and the bleeding that took place, the gunshot wound to the forehead. And I don't think they took that. I don't think the defense took premeditation off the table. She just happens to come there with a knife and a gun to have a romantic encounter, and something goes wrong because she dropped his camera and he went off and she had to defend herself with a gun and a knife. Are you kidding me?
I also said prosecution, and I said it because of something that happened while the defense was questioning the medical examiner. They brought that photo in. That is the photo, one of the photos that is key to this entire case, because what it does, this is the photo, the accidental photo taken at the time of the killing. It puts Jodi Arias there. This is what forced her to change her story. That's what made her have to admit that she was there and go with self-defense. That's why I believe it was a big day for prosecutors. Let me take a peek inside the courtroom. Let me show you. The camera's a little bit shaky right now, but that means we're getting ready for the judge to take the bench, the witness to take the stand, and live testimony to resume in the case against Jodi Arias.